Hey, this JD, and if I'm going to show you a 7-3-6 in the key of G flat. Alright, so we're in G flat. 1, 2, 3, B flat, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the F, and back to G flat. So 7-3-6 is going to be one some sort of 7 chord to a 3 chord to a 6 chord. Alright. General idea is when you're doing your 7-3-6, you want to play some type of dominant chord on your 7 and your 3 to get to your 6. Alright, so for the 7 chord, I'm playing an F7, sharp 5, sharp 9. Alright, spell it out for you. Left hand F, C, and F. Right hand A, which is the 3rd. C sharp is the sharp 5. D sharp or E flat is the 7th. Alright, and A flat or G sharp there is my sharp 9. Alright. F7, sharp 5, sharp 9. Next chord, same type of chord, just playing it off of B flat. Alright, spelled out. Left hand B flat, F, and B flat. Right hand D, which is D is our 3rd. F sharp is our sharp 5. A flat or G sharp there is our 7th. And D flat or C sharp is our sharp 9. Alright, so B, F, B flat, D, F sharp, G sharp, C sharp. Alright, then for my 6 chord, as you know, with the 6 chord, all you got to do is play a 6 with your hand and play a 5 chord. If you want to do the passing chord, I'm just playing 1, 5, 1, 5 in the key of G flat. So 1, G flat major, B flat, D flat, and G flat. Alright, 5, D flat major, A flat, D flat, F, and just alternating. I may throw in a G flat, A flat, and D flat, and then come back down to the D flat major, F, A flat, and D flat. So that's alright, so 7, 3, alright, 6. Alright, hope that helped. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.